Welcome to our video guide on how to delete all posts you've shared on Instagram using a PC with the latest update. It's a great way to clean up your profile and start fresh. To begin, open your Instagram account on your PC. At the bottom left corner, you'll see the More icon or the three dots. Click on it to access the menu options. Next, click on Your Activity to view all the posts you've shared on your profile. From the Photos and Videos section, navigate to the Posts section where you'll be able to see all the posts you've shared. Click on Select to choose the posts you want to delete. After selecting the posts you want to remove, click on Delete and confirm the action. This will permanently remove the selected posts from your profile. And there you have it. It's as simple as that to delete all posts you've shared on Instagram using a PC. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process. Thank you for watching and happy cleaning up your Instagram profile.